Time to do an oil change. I'm going from dinosaurs to synthetic oil. Wanted to get my bike all ready for this trip that I'm going on, and took it over to see Lyle. We had to fix the exhaust. It was really loose. My pipes were just about dangling off. We got it all fixed up, and then we had to do a bunch of little repairs. It's funny, when you take your bike in to get one thing done, you end up doing a whole lot of things. I'd been having a little bit of trouble with this one muffler. It kept hanging off and getting loose and loosening off. So Lyle took a look at it, and he was able to get it all tightened up and put back on. Next thing was brakes. We had to do the brakes. I replaced the front brakes and the back brake. I figure, why not go with all my brakes working 100%. So replaced all the pads on all my brakes. Yeah, my back brake was just about done, and the front brakes, they were getting kind of close. So I erred on the side of caution, and I did all 3 brakes, and got them all set and ready to go for our trip. Next thing was, I wanted to put another charger for my phone and cameras and all that kind of thing. I wanted to have one more charger, so that was a whole nother thing to go through. And of course, it went perfectly smooth. Not. I had bought this little adapter off of Amazon, and you know what? It was a little difficult getting it to work initially, but once it was all on, it worked just great. And what I like about it more than anything is it shows the charging voltage, which is really a handy thing. And it's got an on-off switch, and I like that too. So when I'm not using it, I can turn it right off. So if you like this video, slam that like button. And if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.